Hi guys, so today I just did a quick video on my eyeshadow, just the very beginning of it. I just wanted to show you something quick, simple, and easy, and I just basically finished all the makeup after that, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick and easy video on just what, if I'm feeling like doing something with my eyeshadow, but nothing too crazy, nothing too complicated, that is what I showed you today. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I just did simple makeup with this, paired a jean jacket with it, and threw my hair up in a bun because I always throw my hair up in a bun and I'm known for it. So yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I basically just smoked out the lower lash line, threw some lashes on, and then just did regular base makeup, and yeah. So this is the completed look. I hope you liked this video. If you found anything helpful, make sure you comment down below if you want to chit chat in the comment section, or if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are trying to grow slowly but surely towards 300 subscribers, and yeah, hit the notification bell. I've been trying to upload every single day, so hit the notification bell so you can see whenever I upload. And also, if you share this post on any of my social medias, I shout you out in a future video. So make sure you do that, and please, if you do share my video, please tag me so I can see it. And with all that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. So yeah, bye!